was just checking up here. This is one of the spots that we had a really big fall right here, and it's kind of neat. This is completely dried up now. The water is not flowing down this path anymore. It's coming out from this big old hole down here. But what's really cool about that is it's got to dip down underground somewhere up here because it is not in the ground. It goes in the ground. This is cool. Look at that. Right here. It is going underground and then popping back out. From here over to there. Pretty cool.